how to allow or don't allow math results with Siri on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here, tap on Intelligence and Siri. After that, we go down to the bottom, then tap on Math Results. From the list, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So select one of the options, and when asked to enter screen time passcode, do so. And that's it. Now you can make the change for math result with Siri. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.